Shubor nakaslem jong Umsohsun Hima.
Ban Pynïar bat ban Pynïar ya ka office Treikam jong ka MS Intrinsic Enterprise Showroom kabadan ha Umsohsun Shillong ha ka arpu pratrik ukalaling kod arhajar arpun rio la Plie Paidbah no ya ka showroom kabathamai ha Umsohsun Shillong ha ka ba uba WR Kharkrang officer ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ulalong kumukong san bat la Plie Paidbah ya ka te ka office kabathamai ha ka ne ka showroom labu ya kitiar kum ki electronic weighing scale ki Eureka Forbes Limited ki water treatment plan and accessories, ki fire safety and accessories, water treatment plants, effluent treatment plants, ki swimming pool and accessories, ki tiar ki bala ban pensuk ban yarap ya ki Paidbah. Ha kani ka jingilang Plie Paidbah ya kani ka showroom la don lang ru urang ba asnong ka Umsohsun ki nong sha khat ngob ha bat ki wei. Haba ai jingkren ha kani ka jingalang uba L1 sai uba dei utrai ka te ka showroom ulapan pa ka jing songu bat ka jingkmen ha ka ba ula yo ban pen urlong ban Plie ya ka te ka office ulai thu ru shaphang ka jingya den ti jong u ha shwa ba un seng ya ka te ka office ula yo ru ban batai shaphang ki jing pendon kam ya kini ki tiar ki badon ha ka te ka showroom kumno ban pendon kam bat ha kinu ki benta ki badai ban pendon kam ban ai ka jingirap ya ki Paidbah.
Aku boleh borok di Circus is WR Kharkrang dan Pastor PR Marwin Pastor S Dakar dan Rang Basno di Dakar bat ini ki perlok jenga ki bahing sem barok di mentagaski kalau ga jeng kemen ke pokraw yang ban Plie ke office buat ke showroom जो कि water treatment plant, effluent treatment plant, fire safety, कि swimming pool buat कि RO system baru. Di ni kapor, kepriang subhaya pi baru, di kekerpat di shiftkes WR Kharkrang buat pastor AR Marwin iyo ban od new ribbon update jungi ringkat kiti sir Rich Rai is OC जो कि fire emergency is kasih Shalom.
Kini kita ke showroom ko jong new perawi bi jungi go play la kerku na kebenta jungi na ke jing sedang ke berit ila nang kiu se ka kham he baru play nang rak shu ka kham kraw shu kini ke ski ki komen ka ba mangi kom ki perlok perjor ki ba ye je thonya don ban ye komen lang ha kini ke pot te kum ka dak ban Plie ya kini ke showroom ha kini ke pot ngin khap uni rubon Hak kerting itu boleh pun buat sembakoi. Amen.
Engineer, Meghalaya State Pollution Board, is Rich Rai, officer in charge of fire safety emergency service. Yodo is Reverend PR Marwin, in charge of the committee. Is Reverend S. Kar, in Bidang Kalbani, Rang Bashnong. So di Dakar orang Basna Umsohsun bagi di Borok juga di dari PR Motong orang masjid di college dan di seperti Kabur di asli profesor juga saya dan kelas college Motong dan dari Showroom kalau join dari agriculture bagi way Borok nama menjadi Borok nak minta jufi kili onpoi opening showroom jumlah office di Borok Kuwait ya kawa iyo ban pendap yang disini kalau kemen nak minta jumlah kemudian ngkren deketin pareng kemudian buat saya di kasih nengkong dalam nama yang more. Firstly, I would like to thank all the guests who are present here for joining with us in this special occasion. Your presence adds great value and significance to this occasion. Our showroom showcase WTP, water treatment plant, ETP, effluent treatment plant, Urica Fox, hot and cold water, fire safety is crucial, swimming pool filtration, and electronics washing machine. Kini products kini deal harus ini. Kini akan itu story. I would like to tell you the story of how Intrinsic Price came to be. I started my business in 2008 in Dangiti, where I run weighing machines, and it was on 2015 that I started to run water treatment plant, effluent treatment plant. There were many difficulties ahead, but with confidence and perseverance, I was able to overcome it. In 2020, I started to run fire safety, and so far it has been progressing smoothly by God's grace. I was able to run my business smoothly along with the help of my employees through great team. And it was on 2nd May 2024 that we got another showroom to open at Moyo Green Showroom. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to our customer for his continued trust, our partners for his constant support, and our team whose dedication and hard work made this dream reality. It is through this teamwork that this company is able to foster innovation, enhance productivity, and achieve successful goals. Thank you once again. Because story kaba iyo ba Plie kaba showroom kaba yang kaba murta kasni karena ngadap dari jingkemen kaba crown yo Plie. Mulala ban Plie yang kaba showroom but ke office rengkat ki para staff kum ke teamwork. Long kum utki ibarat yung we ya treshtom bakata ngelo ya treshtom lalu ibarat kibor ira yung we but ila banjo ngela unang ngila ban install igini water treatment plant ya kita ke bajobo sa ka kawkoy itu kidon ka treatment plant ke bile ngani nang ta kidon ki reverse osmosis ini garo system you don't get hot and cold water ini we don't the obvious country nangta ki solid waste ETP solid waste and liquid waste ini we don't only with that ETP plant effluent treatment plant ini ko but ini don't get it solid and liquid waste when penduduk kam at hospital at hotel at penduduk institute but the lotteries penduduk kam sering kat kumga sir really what happen when shot your pollution tip high kali but barok kilong kile ban pendam kam ya ka ETP habaro yung stay ka jungi lat long hotel hospital but kiwe kilong ko dan kam hadu data yung fire safety is sir Danish right inspector in terms of fire safety yolo makani kalong de da ya ki yeng safety di office di school di college but yeng brew it's compulsory safety kalong panjata ya jeng klub ni jong ke yeng so in case hakanu nung for emergency kadai ka fire safety semua ada di sini buat apa Showroom politik recently you to get ya ke jeng klub juga yeng dei nak daw pa gidon kam ya ka safety dia ke digalong ke badan kam ya ke safety lakalong ya ke ETP lakalong ya ke fire safety lakalong ya ke drinking water kita ke safety kata kalau compulsory but we don't do it di waging skill ini ki waging skill ba ni dok ban penbiang ni di Paidbah ban thau ya ke jumha ya ke di bom sugar di jongki kita kam ya ke waging skill ke badan kam ke badan ko long pa but ke accuracy ki juki ke long perfect om dei bersyukur di Paidbah ketika kita tu ni wara ketika kom di materials di badan kami Paidbah agak jelas kriya di korok kami but ni siok ban dia kenduk by Sir Danish lani Sir Darwin and sama IPS jos dan police but Sir W.R. Kakrang siok but jaga office jo controller of legal methodology siok ban pendek jaga awareness program sibuk bagi keren bagi sependai jadi bagalong ke kerkui ke state yang jela di barok away but kata kalau ke bagi don kam bagi dia harga di jela ke jumi tinggal tentu yang di Paidbah yang di nok shok shok harga jela but di officer budan hamni yang kerpat jor dia pi ba pe nalian pe joki pin subha man yarap len ban ya don lem bagi harga nu ko benta jor di jing don kam tam di ETP di safety but baru kiba bagi Paidbah ki don kam na kerpat ia pi ba pinja telang lem bagi kata kalau di kerpat naleng juga provider jom kenika company juga kenika office kamu don hamni dengan kerpat dan menu kiba kuat pada kenduk yani ikloi banyak don benta hagadi ka kamu tinggal kermen ba ngai kublai ru ia ki baying besem ki jonga i pelok ki bajuar barok ki poi pat barok ki badan benta hamni ko po radio ka ku dong ki
One is water treatment. Second will be my concern, which is fire safety. So, sir, you are serving the society in one way or like if we drink good water, healthy water, we remain healthy. So this is what initiative what you have taken is very appreciable from my end. Secondly, I'll talk about fire safety. I have met your Miss Karen in my office so many times. I have also visited with her in some of the places, and I found that having this fire safety norms. Let me just go back a few years back. The National Building Code suggests that all buildings should have proper fire safety, and this is one of them, like active fire safety solutions. So we are still lacking behind. We are still, I think, 40-30 years back that we are not giving interest or we are not giving keen interest towards implementing this or installing this fire extinguishers or fire appliances. My concern is that since Bawonsai has already taken up this initiative by approaching nook and corner of the society to have this type of equipment installed in their offices, in their houses. As a fire officer, I have put on 32 years of service. So during my service tenure, what I have seen that some accidents are caused unknowingly. For that, the government of India, the government of Meghalaya, and various departments, they have given stress. They have stress upon us that we should go and carry out this awareness programs, demonstrate these equipments. These are all minor equipments, but these are very helpful. So I congratulate you and your entire team. Please keep this good work. Profit is one aspect. I don't care about profit. But serving the society is very important. As the lady who in her introduction speech was mentioning about that quote from the Bible. So it is some way or other we are serving the mankind. So I don't have much words to speak. I congratulate you. Thank you, gentlemen, for inviting me here. Ladies, please, I wish you all the best. Thank you.
First and foremost, I would like to congratulate Bart for this venture. In fact, it's always easy to advise people to start something, but then for somebody to really take that responsibility of starting something, it really calls for a lot of courage, a lot of sacrifice, and sometimes I use the word you have to be crazy at times to start something else. Going back to this particular subject on safety, I happened to chance to meet Konkari when she came to my office, and since I work in an organization, the State Pollution Control Board, which is quite a big building, so her interest was basically how do they refill the fire extinguishers that we have over there. But unfortunately, we had already done that exercise because the person who had come to us as a vendor from Guwahati, because we didn't have any local vendors. But then, to be honest with you, I like the kind of enthusiasm that she showed in trying to market her organization. So I said, to be honest with you, I like to promote local people, but then seeing enthusiasm, I'm very happy. So I can help you. For the family, we have a commercial building in Mapran. So I said, okay, you go there, there's a person you go contact. I have 5 exhibitions. You start with them, and let's see how do we take it forward. And then she did mention about water treatment plants and effluent treatment plants. And that is my pet subject, but then that's not a background. But then I did tell her, take this seriously because the market for such kind of things now is there. But then we do not have local entrepreneurs, we do not have, though we have local expertise, but then that is a software part. But the hardware part, we still have to depend from outside. So I did tell her, I said, look, when you really come up with this kind of an agency, come to my organization, we'll help you. I think so you're very much aware that apart from the court cases that is there regarding the pollution of Okra and Umsohsun and a lot of water bodies, primarily is because of the discharge of untreated water. From our household, we generate, which we call black water, that is basically from your toilets, and that goes to a septic tank and that has a soap pit. So more or less, you have some kind of basic treatment. But then from your kitchen, earlier it was basically soap water, but now you have a lot of synthetic detergents and synthetic cleaning agents which actually contribute to the pollution of the receiving water body. It could be a stream, it could be a river, it could be. So unless we understand this and try to put in certain corrective measures, our water bodies are going to actually die natural death. And it's not because of anybody doing, but it's because of our own carelessness. So that is why I'm very happy that Hima, I really congratulate you again. But a few pointers I would like to please make sure that we customize to the requirement. Sometimes we come up with solutions and then we think that, this is it and this is the price. But then look at the market. Because there are a lot of agencies that have come to me and they're trying to come up with solutions. In fact, there's already one here in Shillong doing on this. We have small restaurants, small eating joints which hardly generate 50, 100 liters of water a day. Of wastewater. But then that wastewater, if you look at 100 liters a day, if you have 10 of them in a small locality like Umsohsun, that contributes to about 1,000 liters. And then what is the receiving body? So that is a kind of calculation, that's a kind of concept we need to approach as solutions. So when we look at this, and then we have to be able to customize also. Now a lot of our space is an issue. Now how do we customize our small effluent treatment plant that will cater to actually the area that person has? Most of us, we run these eating joints from rented places. Now what happens? So these are the factors that you need to take into account when you go and customize a solution for, especially like effluent treatment plants. So that is why this is a word of advice. So I don't know who will be your technical team. Please feel free to come to my office. We can sit down across the table. Because for me, I look at solutions. You are producing the hardware. So that is where we come in between. The third aspect is please make sure that when you go and give solutions and install the hardware, the training also is being imparted to the people who operate. You have sold your product, your job is done, you got your profit, but then is that particular item operational or not? Now, if it's yes, then have the people using those being trained as per the requirement. Then suddenly you'll just get a phone call, my system is not working, then when you go, you see that the basic switch also has not been switched on. Why? Because the operator does not know how to go about it. So please take care of the human intervention where you give proper training and you follow up. Business aspect, sorry to say, we tribals, we are not so enterprising when it comes to business. We think that people should come to us, not us going to them. But now you have come into a business realm where you have to go and reach out to people. When you come to me, I said, okay, I will see the next month. So the next month must be in your diary. You should come back after me. So you said this month you're going to think about it. And that's how business is very competitive. That human interface, the difference is that human interface. Technology is the same. Pricing is very competitive. But that human interface, how important it is. So once you are being able to develop a human interface, I'm telling you that is where your business grows. You look at yourself. There's so many departmental stores, there's so many shops. Why you go to a particular shop? Have you ever asked yourself that question? It's why? Because maybe the owner or maybe the person running that shop has kind words. You feel nice when you go there. That feel nice factor is very important when you do business. So please remember that, because I've seen, because a lot of clients, we give a lot of clearances for hotels, for restaurants and everything. And then when we do follow up and everything, it's, that particular person, we have to call him 10 times and then he'll say, oh, I'll come next month and next month and next month. So this is the kind of complaints that we get. And for us as regulators, actually, those are just excuses. We don't accept. But then I realized that this is the problem that we are having, especially in a small city like Shillong. And of course, your business is going to take off from here. And please look at beyond Shillong, because I see that you are doing this water treatment plants. A lot of hotels, a lot of resorts have come out all across East Khasils. Look at that as your market potential. And please make sure that when you go for your thing, make it competitive. People from Body are willing to come to do business here in Shillong. They give a very competitive rate. But then somehow or the other, he's being able to sell this product. I said, look, okay, you sign a contract with me for 3 years, you don't have to worry. I'll come once in 3 months to check whether it's okay or not okay. I'm coming once in 3 months. That's how he sells. Whether he comes or not once in 3 months, you don't bother even to even check. Maybe he'll come only twice a year. But that is where actually you build that kind of. So once again, Bharat, thank you very much.